Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my used vehicle pick of the week, the 2016 Hyundai Sonata SE. This vehicle only has 30,149 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It is a front-wheel drive Sonata that comes with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. And then as you can see here, it has 16 by 6.5 inch wheels. Now, when we get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have a tan interior. It is cloth seating throughout the entire vehicle. It is tan also over here along the side. Now when we go ahead and get inside, you can see that we do have a touchscreen radio, your standard cruise control, and push to talk. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.